Picture right there shows you are looking over the southern tip of Manhattan. You're looking south, and you can see some gray underbellies out there. It's an overcast sky, but we're not catching the rain in the city right now. Everybody today, for the most part, had temperatures maxing out in the upper 70s. Couple of 80-plus readings out there. 80 for Monticello on the nose, but 81 for Islip in the Hamptons. Best you could do. 84 is the average. What do you expect as we look ahead? There will be daily rain chances this week, Monday right through Saturday, really. Not, though, as bad as we had last week. There's going to be a difference here. I think you're going to see more widespread dry spots. I think you're going to see more widespread partly sunny spots as well. Sunday through Tuesday, you go back to some big-time heat, and the potential is there. Going to be close for another heat wave. Vortex radar and satellite. Couple areas of some wet weather. One offshore, clipping the Hamptons right now. Put a little bit of rain down on the Jersey Shore. Very little bit. Another one off north and west, and this one has got some colors on the map here, so there are some bouts of heavier rain there. If you zoom in tight, we're seeing a little bit of rain in our area. I told you the Hamptons catching a little bit. Also, right here around Elmont, right around the Queens-Nassau border, moving kind of in the direction of Floral Park, but that's kind of wobbling a little bit. Then I've got this cell. Right now, it went through the South Brunswick area, moving up towards Franklin. Had some bright yellows and oranges and even some red on there. Quick little downpour and kind of rained itself out. Not too much to that. Bigger picture, all right? And this is one I got to take some time to explain because it just looks like we're a mess out there going through the nighttime hours. Clear air is well offshore. That's a high-pressure system, right? Unfortunately, it's not with us. That's offshore. We have a stalled front south of the area. We have another approaching front north of the area. The two fronts together are just going to keep us unsettled. So there's a rain chance, but I just don't think it's going to be the big stuff. Certainly not for tonight. Let's take a look at how the computer models are picking up on it. First thing you got to notice, all right, it's got the offshore rain, not showing anything out around the Hamptons, though, so it's a little bit on the light side there. Also, it is picking up on the heavier stuff off to our north and west. They just don't have it really coming together. I do think there's a chance north and west see a little bit of activity tonight. Also, I'm showing you there's a chance out around the east end for a little bit of wet weather as well. Going into your day on Tuesday, you know, clouds, but with some patches of partly sunny skies and some spotty showers out there, not the heavy stuff. Then you get into your day on Wednesday, you're going to find a little bit more yellows, oranges, and some reds out there. So they're going to be peppered out there with some scattered storms on Wednesday. Same sort of deal for your day on Thursday. And if you look across the board here at all of the numbers, we've got that rain chance. Look at all the flashing clouds there. They're not overwhelming. I mean, Wednesday and Thursday, it's a 60% chance. By the time you get to Sunday, it's the better half of your weekend. You're knocking on the door 90 degrees. I think it'd be 90 on Monday, possibly Tuesday as well.
Okay.
Could be our next heat wave.
All righty. Thank you.
Give sound effects.
That it helped, didn't it? Didn't it, Steve?